In our quest to provide healthy, nutritious, simple and convenient and tasty meals, I have another surprise for you, okay? We're gonna make an omelette with bean sprouts, mushrooms, red peppers and spinach. Egg. Okay, so, quick and easy, let's get on with it. Reggae on Broadway by Johnny Nash. Food for the soul, baby. Okay, so we've got some organic extra virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is not only great tasting, it is a great ally in the fight to burn fat, okay? Because it is a thermogenic food. We're gonna throw some mushrooms and peppers. Mushrooms.
Sorry.
Food for the soul, baby. Mushrooms and red peppers. Smell the coconut. With a totally tropical taste. Anyway, here we go. Put that away. So what I'm going to do now, run quickly, going to flash fry a little bit of spinach in there. Superfoods, baby, superfood. A very nutrient dense spinach. So there we are, look, flash fried, that's enough. From there, straight in with the eggs. Free range, of course, with a sprinkling of black pepper. Icing on the cake, the hundreds and thousands, the cherries on the top. Organic mixed bean sprouts. A magnificent source of protein. Check it out. There we go. Simple. We might as well decorate our plate. So let's have some avocado. My food of love. A little squeeze of lemon. But before that, are we gonna flip it? You ready to flip it? You ready to flip it? Oh wait, we flipping it, man. Check it out, baby.
Flipped.
It's flipped. Oh, mamacita. Squeeze of lemon. Squeeze of lemon. Yeah, squeeze that lemon in, man. Let's recap. Mushrooms, red peppers, stirred for a minute. Flash fry spinach on top of that for 30 seconds. 4 eggs. How many of you? This is for 2, so if it's for you, maybe 2-3 eggs. If you're a beefcake, maybe 4. But 3-4 eggs, whisked up, a little bit of black pepper, put it on top, and look what we have. A healthy, nutritious, tasty breakfast. Mr. Brown saying food for the soul. Love, peace, chicken grease.